Hi, we're going to review direct object pronouns. We've talked about this several times, so hopefully this won't be brand new information for you. So go ahead and turn in your book to page 310, 310, por favor. And we're going to go ahead and review the direct object pronouns. I wrote them out to the side here. Hopefully you remember them. But me means me. Te means you, informal. Lo, la means him, her. And then they can mean it and you, informal. Nos means us. And los and las means them or you, plural. So if we go ahead and look here at the example sentences your book gives you, we have Sarita compró el regalo ayer. And that means Sarita bought the present yesterday. Now notice how they have these both in purple here, because when I'm going to say she bought it yesterday, I'm going to look at el regalo, and it is singular and masculine. So I'm going to use the singular and masculine pronoun when I say it. Okay, so I'm going to say, Sarito lo compró ayer. She bought it yesterday. Okay, I look at this next sentence. I have Daniel, lavaste la ropa anoche. And that means, Daniel, did you wash the clothes last night? And because la ropa is singular and feminine, I'm going to use la. Okay, so we're going to say, sí, ya la lavé anoche. Yes, already I washed it the last night. Okay, so I know that we say clothes plural, but in Spanish clothes is singular. Okay, just a slight difference there. That's why they use la. So go ahead and look on page 310. We're going to do the exercise there, number 34. And it says to take turns asking each other if you do these activities during the week. Include when and how often you do each activity. Use the correct direct object pronoun. So you're going to say cuando, which means when. And put your upside down question mark and say cuando. Then you're going to use the to form of the verb, in this case lees el periódico. So when do you read the newspaper? And if you notice, newspaper is singular and masculine. So I'm going to go ahead and use lo. I'm going to say lo leo todos los días. Okay? So I read it every day. Okay? So I read it every day. So I read it every day. Okay? Let's go ahead and look at the examples that we have here. The first one in número uno is hacer la cama, to make the bed. So if I have here, I'm going to ask my question. I'm going to say, ¿cuándo haces la cama? So when do you make the bed? Okay? And then I'm going to look at la cama. It is singular and feminine. So the direct object pronoun that I'm going to use is going to be la. I'm going to say la hago, H-A-G-O. Remember, hacer is irregular. So la hago. And probably you'd make your bed in the morning. So you might say la hago en la mañana. I make the bed, or I make it in the morning. Okay. Then if we look at número dos, that is practicar la guitarra. So to practice the guitar. So I'm going to ask the question again. I'm going to say cuando. What would your verb be? Practicas. Yep. Practicas la guitarra. So when do you practice the guitar? Okay. And since la guitarra is feminine, I'm going to pick the feminine singular pronoun, which will be la. I'm going to say la practico. And we might say, oh, en la noche, at night, perhaps. Whenever you want to practice the guitar is fine with me. All right. So that's what you're going to be doing each time, asking a question and answering it with a pronoun. Just make sure that the pronoun you choose matches with that noun that's at the end. Okay? If you get stuck, be sure to email me and ask some questions. I'll talk to you soon.